Welcome. In front of me is a BLACKVIEW Color 8, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So number one, you want to pull down your notifications like I just did by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Next, find the hotspot toggle. Once you see it, you can simply hold it the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings. Now, you might want to navigate in here because hotspot usually comes with a random password. So without navigating here, you have no way of knowing what it is set to. Now here it looks like we don't have any security enabled for some reason. This most likely isn't the default kind of setup. So by default, you should most likely have a password, which would look something like this. And if you don't, if this is the default state, I highly recommend setting up a protection to your device or to the hotspot specifically. As you can see, which I chose, the WPA3. This will ensure that unwanted people will not be able to connect to your hotspot without your permission. If it's set to none, like it was for me, literally anyone can connect to my hotspot and then use your mobile network to search for whatever ungodly things that they want. So I do urge you to set up a password, and then you can get rid of the password that is randomly generated and set up your own new password, which will need to have 8 characters in length. Now, once that's done, find the toggle once more and simply tap on it to enable it. So once you're done with your hotspot, you can also turn it off by tapping on the toggle once more. Now, I do want to point out one key part of this. When you enable your hotspot, it will turn off your Wi-Fi because it is using the same antenna for both of those tasks and it can only do one of those at a time. So you can see it's right now enabled, and if I tap on the toggle, it just turned off. And once you're done using your hotspot and you turn it off, it automatically will re-enable your Wi-Fi. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.